Come on, conveyor belt. Spin. Spin. Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a conveyor belt. It's really simple. All you just need to do is to have circles, axles, and brush. That's all you need. So just follow my rules. So first, you need to put circles on top and on the bottom, like that and like that. And then both need to put them to loosen and loosen again, so that they don't get to to stick together. And put axles on top of them, through them, and then go to motor and motor torque 50,000. Like that. That's what you need to do. Now what you need to do is to join these two together with the line, like that. And then put some diagonal lines on them, like that. And that's what you need to do. And then put two axles on top of the bottom, on the lines.
Ex-King Ginger and ex-King Hank, I strip you both of all ranks and titles and fake royalty and forthwith banish you from this court. Ginger, wait. They've won. I have not left with the stale crumbs of my cakey crowd.
Like that.
Long enough. Let's be mature about this. Plus, we have jetpacks. Oh yeah, space.
And then you can join these two together. And same with the other one. Like that. And lastly, what you need to do is to go to collision layers and go to no self collision, like this. And there you go, you made your own conveyor belt. So if you want more tutorials, you can go and subscribe to my channel. Well, that's it for this episode. So I'll see you later in tutorial 2. So, peace out.